Today in this video, we're going to talk about how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. That is, you're not going to show your face and not you're going to record your voice on microphone. Today, what I'm going to tell you is just going to be massive. It's going to be so much exciting that you're going to be loving it. First thing that we need to do is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific type of topic. So what we're going to do is we are going to see some relaxing music and you can do it really easily. Now, I'm going to give you an example like Yellow Brick Cinema. This is a relaxing based channel, and there is another channel that is known as Soothing Relaxation. It is also the same type of channel, and you can see they produce all that relaxation music that is really soothing and people love it, and you can see that they're getting good number of views on that. Now the next channel, I'm going to give you 3 examples so that it's the last third example, that is meditation relax music. So all these channels are getting good number of views, and if we go on to socialblade.com, that is a analytical platform, you can see on Yellow Brick Cinema, it's an US based channel and they are getting almost 21 million views every single month, and they're making almost 60 to 70,000 dollars every single month, and it's making almost $1 million every single month. So let's talk about the views they are getting. So these channels are getting, you can see these channels are getting almost 700 to 1 million views every single day. So these channels are really great channels because you do not have to show your face, you don't have to talk, and you can see this is a great channel. This is known as meditation relax music. So how you can do all that? So let's go on to soothing relaxation. You can see this channel has 447 uploads, and this channel has got 8 million subscribers. Now you can make up to 200 to 300k with this, and you can see it's a monthly earning, and you can make more than 2 to 3 million dollars every single year with this thing. Now these videos are getting almost 2 to 5 million views every single day. Now this is great because they are generating almost $5,000 to $7,000 every single day with just simple music, and that's it. Now I'm going to give you the updated policies because YouTube has changed many things. So what you can see is that you can use all this music. Now how you can do it, it's pretty simple. So you need to go on to it's known as YouTube Studio. So whenever you come onto YouTube Studio, then you need to go to straight YouTube Studio, and then you need to go on to analytics, and under that there is a section under customization. This is known as audio library. So you need to come in here, and then you are going to get so many tracks. Now I am just going to show you all this. For example, you can see all these tracks, all that deep sleep, you can see piano relaxing music, and you can see beautiful relaxing music and all this stuff. So you can come into audio library, and then you will be able to easily understand that what I'm talking about is you need to click up here, and you can even filter. You are getting all this on this platform, you're getting all this music, and you can actually use all this music for free, and you can download them really easily. For example, if I go on to mood, I am just going to choose any. For example, I am going to choose a calm tone. Okay, so if I'm going to choose a calm tone, then you can see all the tracks I just got, and here I get a genre of country, dance, cinematic, country, and folk, classical. So I can choose from anything I want, and I can simply download it. For example, I want to download this thing, and I'm just simply going to click, and it's just going to get download. That's it. So it has downloaded, and I just need to now get something that is pictures, images, or visuals. Now what you can do is, now you can get video views like this, 2 million, 5 million, and 2 million, and all that. So they are, you can see the daily average is almost 2.5 million, and they're making almost $7,000 to $8,000 easily from that every single day. Now what you need to do, you need to come into this website that is known as pexels.com, where you're gonna get videos. And for example, if I write a soothing nature video, so I need to just find up nature. I just need to write nature up here, and then I need to go on to videos, and you can see 40,000 videos are there, and you can choose whatever, and all this is for free. Now you simply need to compile all of that. Now since you have got videos like this, high quality images, and you do not need to go anywhere, You can do this, and then you need to do a voiceover with that, because whenever you use this you need to transform it. So you need to know that there is a policy that is known as fair use, so you can actually do that. If you want to make it much more clear, because YouTube is really strict now right now, so what you can do is that you can take your smartphone and then you can go up there and you can shoot videos like this. You can go to your town, on your city, or your wherever you stay. You simply just shoot all about the ambience, and then you merge it up with all these musics, and then it will be done. For example, if you go to a forest, or if you go to your fountain and you add this calm music, and it's done. Or you can do one thing: you need to come into this platform. It's a freelancing platform that is known as Fiverr, and you can write up here. You can actually hire someone who will be helping you to shoot landscapes, for example. So now you can see that whenever you come onto Fiverr, you can shoot landscapes videos, and you can see that I will shoot 4K drone videos in Central, and I need to simply be able to see that all these drone footages in Western Australia or Philippines. I will shoot custom 4K, and okay, so I don't need right now this. So you can see I will shoot your YouTube B-roll. I will drone photography and videography in the Phoenix, Arizona area. So you can hire these people, and they're really inexpensive, and you can actually hire them and you can make videos from that. Now, the next thing is to edit the videos. For that, you can use a software that is known as OpenShot, and it's a free open source software, and you can use it. Not just that, there is another great software, DaVinci Resolve. I don't know how people are giving it for free, but it's an open source software too. Is DaVinci Resolve, and it is a great software for color grading, and professional people actually use it too. Now you can actually use all of that, and it's a free software, and you can easily use OpenShot and all that softwares. You can see the DaVinci Resolve has got this almost a great the UI is really great, and not just that, you can actually see that this gives you that professional quality or touch. Now if you want to edit your thumbnail, so you can go on to Snapper. That is, Snapper is a great quick editing design software. Not just that, I myself use a free software and I use a pro plan, so you can also use that. That is known as, so this software that I myself love, it's known as Canva. Now I know how to use Photoshop, I know how to use Illustrator, I know how to. If you want to do the same, or if you want to try Inkscape, or you can do that too, but this is the best, I would say. You can really easily make all of the content or the thumbnails that you want. Now you can actually magically design the things, and you can actually help yourself save lots of time. Actually, you can also get something like this, or views like this, and you can make money like this without showing your face. But the main thing is, who can actually do it? Actually, this is very simple. Anybody from the anywhere from the whole world can actually start it, and they can actually do it. Now why you should do it is very simple. You do not need to show your face, you do not need your voice. You don't need to speak any language, because language is not going to be the barrier on this. And people from all over the world will be your audience, and you are going to be making views like these ones. For example, you can see they're getting 75 million views in the last 30 days. They have got 75 million views, and which is great. And they're making almost $2 to $3 million. For example, if you put near about $10 to $30, if you have capital, if you put $10 to $30 onto a recording, and it's really cheap, because if you put $10 to $30, it's just gonna be every single day. Let's assume that if you upload and you make a budget of $10, that's gonna be only $300, and you can make three from that. You can make up to 300k. So it's like 10, 20, 30 or 100x the result on the revenue that you're gonna get. I hope that you have understood and got a great insight and a great depth and understanding about the whole thing. I hope that you have got a great valuable information from it. See you again on another video.